If you want to download apps on Samsung Galaxy A57, then we have two main ways that allow you to do so, or two main apps that can be used in order to download and install new applications. So first of all, we can use the Play Store, the Google's app. Of course, we need to have a Google account in order to be able to use this app. It is available on every Android smartphone. And in here, we should be able to, for example, scroll through this list if you have apps selected. Of course, you can find some of the example apps that you might want to download on your phone. Besides that, we can find categories, for example, so you can look for something related to your category. And also we can use the search option here at the bottom of the screen and then the search field at the top if you already know what kind of app you want to download. So if you're looking for something specific, you can type the name of the app over here, and then you should be able to easily find it and install the app. There we go. We can tap on the install button in here. You can tap on the app itself, and you can find the install button in this place as well. And once it is installed, you should be able to open it either from the Play Store over here. You will find an open button in this place, or you can, for example, open the app drawer and you should be able to find it in the list of apps in here as well. Now, the second app is the Store app or Galaxy Store, and this is Samsung's app or Samsung Galaxy's app, I guess. In here, it works in a pretty similar way, although I believe the library with the list of apps that we have in here is much shorter. It's not as supported, but on the other hand, we can find some apps that are not available on the Play Store. So once you find anything that you want to download, you can either use the arrow over here on the right side. If you search for something, of course, we can use the magnifying glass here in the upper right corner. We can type the name of the app just like before. You can also use suggestions, of course. There we go. And once you find the app, we can, like I said, use the arrow, or we can use the install button at the bottom of the screen if you go to the details of the app. And that is pretty much it. Of course, once it is installed, just like in the case of the Play Store, you can open the app directly from the app, or you can find it in the app drawer. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.